Hello everyone, this is Toys Korea. We're going to teach you for AutoCAD 2D. Actually, tutorials in English. This time, lesson 1, start up and option setting for version 2021. Be honest, this is not a current version. Recently, version is 2024, maybe. So, in this time, lecture 001 startup, lecture 02 option setting. So, okay, let's go. Please open your CAD program. Okay, and uh, I'm going to explain for startup and next option starting. Be honest, I'm not good in English. English is not my major uh, character. I'm, but I'll do my best for explain in English. So I'm nervous. Okay. Startup. You create an ISO at AutoCAD ISO DWG. That means in program upper side menu and this is a new. Please click left mouse, then tap in templates AutoCAD ISO.dwg. This is a template from CAD. So click and open click. Then you can see the main display. Um, I'm, mm, I'm usually using this AutoCAD ISO DWG, but next we will going to make our template. Then and underside, this is the working space switching. WCS current. Okay, the drafting annotation is fine. 3D basic, no. 3D model, no. We are going to choose. You please choose this drafting and annotation is good. And command window is this side. This is command window size. Okay. If you close the click, then it is really appear hide in display. Then you have to open command window. Please Ctrl plus number 9. Ctrl plus number 9. Then you can see at command window. It's okay. In CAD program, spacebar means enter. Enter means spacebar. So it two command is equal function. And next, dynamic input and etc. Please underside the menu, model, grid, blah blah. Yeah, this is the dynamic input. I will choose. This is it's good. It's good and not good. Please click, remove the click, and not to use this display drawing grid. Not click. Then uh, I I will use this dynamic and this and this and this. So I'm going to using this one, this one, this one. So four function menu will going to use it. And next time. This is the setup. Okay. Next, open option setting. Shortcut. It's maybe shortcut meaning shortly commander, not full name. Shortcut is OP. Please input OP. OP. That means option setting. OP. Enter. Please see upper display on menu. Then please underside display file tabs colors. Please click left click. Then color is white and click, black click, and apply and close click. Then you can see the change the backside color is black. Okay, please re-enter OP. Then close color the white, apply and close, and OK. Then you can see the white color on backside. I'm recommend the gray color will be fine. Yes, I think. But white is good, black is good. All color is good, but pink is no. Okay. The selection box size is Pickbox shortcut. So you can input Pickbox and enter. Now it's a new value or default value is 5. Then example 50, enter. Was big, if it's big, too big, so, and spacebar. Now from 5, enter. If 5 or 7 is really fine, I think. And this is finally, this is a crosshair size is 5 or more. That meaning is this is this size. Now this size is 5, but OP, enter, and selection, Pickbox, display, crosshair size 5, and that is, this is 100, okay, then you can see this. This is 100 size. I think 5 size will be fine. 100 size is too big or too long, I think. So I recommend 5 or a little bit more. This will be fine. Thank you. So OP, enter, and crosshair 5, enter. This is good. Now lesson is is the end. And I'd like to review our lesson 1. I'm sorry, but I'm really not good at English. Really not good at English, I know. But this time is my first challenge for global education. So I will going to study English for every day, and so I will to more explain for AutoCAD 2D tutorials in English, just English. This time is over. Sorry, but I'll do my best for your. Thank you.